Brandon with Davidson Audio again, and we have a full house going on. Those are our Challenger and Chieftain, but we have another install for you. This is another first for us. We have not had this color in. This is an icon color. This one is a 22. It's gray, but it has massive blue metallic flake. I'm gonna turn around and get you a walk around of this bike. This customer drove over from Texas, the Houston area, for a 4-speaker build on this bike. He said this is his first bike, so we're super excited. Not only that he's been following us, he said for over a year since we're in Arizona, but the fact that he brought over his first bike for us to do an audio system in, huge pleasure for us. So let's flip you around, show you the bike, and I wanna see if we can pick up how much metallic is in this paint. It is absolutely insane. Love the color of this bike. All right, so like I said, this is a 2022 Challenger Dark Horse in an icon color. Let's see if we can pick up, yeah, you can see it right there. Look at how much metallic blue flake is in this paint. When we go to deliver this to the customer, we will wash it. He did trailer it here from Texas. See if we can really pick up that metallic. I don't really think the camera's gonna pick it all up, but it is absolutely gorgeous. So not many crazy modifications done on this one. He's got the Clockworks on it. He's got the Arlen Ness mirrors. I think those are the, I can't remember what floorboards those are, the toe peg things. But what we're doing, 4-speaker single amp fairing and lids. He did order our 8-inch lids. He had them painted ahead of time. And we're gonna be doing a nice simple 4-speaker package. He wants something that sounds good. He can hear while he's out on the road, hitting the road, sounding good. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have this bike pulled in right now, and you're gonna see some time-lapse footage of us disassembling this along the way and getting the package installed. The bike is now completed. The owner's on his way to come pick it up. So I wanted to take a quick moment to do an overview walk around of this bike. We just finished the audio install. We just washed it. And I want to have it out here in the sun, because now that it's even more clean, like this paint, it doesn't know justice putting it in the shade. So I wanted to leave it out in the sun. We'll do a little walk around so you can see the paint job on this. Like I said, this icon color, absolutely amazing. I don't know if the camera will really pick up much of it, like I said earlier, but there is a solid amount of blue pearl in this, and it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's see if, yeah, you can kind of see, there you go. Yeah, you can see it on the camera. That blue pearl is absolutely amazing in this paint. Gives it a whole nother look. I love it. So like I said, simple 4-speaker system. We've got all the equipment up in the fairing per usual. Got our tried and true Cicada compression horns in the fairing. And then he went with our Davidson Audio 8-inch lids, and we put a Cicada Audio mid-bass speaker in the lid. Help give it a full round out sound on this bike. So let's go ahead and give you a good demo of this bike, and then we are going to see the customer here in a few.
Check the tune all the way. biggest miracle of all time. You got power, demons cower when they hear their call. You got power that still towers, making light look small. You got power to devour any counterfeit wrong. Even your tongue is a sword. Yeah. They tryna mess with your mind or something. They tryna play with your grind or something. They wanna see you back off of your calling, yet they tryna mess with your sign or something. For lack of a vision, and people compare us, commit to the climb, even when it hurts. Only two things in life you can control is how you spend time and how hard you work. So hard work, God first, yeah. Hard work, God first, yeah. Hard work, God first, yeah. To the day I'm in the dirt, yeah. Jesus Christ is Lord. I am yours and you is mine. Oh my God, no way, no way, no way, no way. HGA to the K. Game on himself. All I wanna do is give him all of me, all of me, all of me, all of me. Struggling, oh I be struggling.
That girl, them boys, but I don't mean it in a bad way. I gotta go see her, man. Every night, every day.
Install this one is a wrap. I was asking the customer, I always ask my customers before I put them on video. He's like, man, I'm not much of a camera person. I was like, 100% understand. So that was him. He just picked his bike up. He's heading back. They're enjoying the rest of their family vacation out on the west side of the beach, and then they're gonna get back on the road to Texas. So for this install video, that's a wrap. I love the way the system came out. The most important thing is though that the customer was super happy with it. So he said, exactly what he was looking for. He loved it. Had enough mid-bass for him for that rider setup. So I am super thrilled with that. I can never be more grateful for all of our customers that make the trip, especially from Texas. Super awesome. Love the opportunity. So if you're in the need to have your Indian motorcycle or even some Harleys, the audio system upgraded on that, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to facilitate y'all coming down here, get you set up and getting you with an audio system that you enjoy as much as you do that bike. So again, Brandon with Davidson Audio, and I'm out.